Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Excuse this here. But I finally am gonna be showing you guys my beauty room slash studio. This has been a long awaited video. I promised you guys last year, but yeah, I wasn't done last year. So I'm finally like close to done, not all the way done, but I am close enough that I am comfortable enough to show you guys what I got so far. And I'll let you guys know along the way as I am showing you guys everything, what else I have to, finish and add and all that good stuff. So before we get into showing you guys everything, please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below, let me know what you guys' favorite part of the room is. Everything that I purchased, I will have it down below in the description section, so please don't worry, I got you, okay? And also make sure you guys are not subscribed, following me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can stay updated with me on everything else that I do that you don't see here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get to showing you guys the good stuff. Alright you guys, so excuse this, I have to still paint this door. But here it is. This is the room here. It's one of the smallest rooms that I have in my house. So since my mom moved, this used to be my brother's old room, but I decided to use it as my beauty room slash studio, instead of turning it into my son's room, because my son is so small and sometimes he does wake up in the middle of the night. So yeah, so I'm gonna start on this side. So I painted the walls kind of like a lullaby yellow. Excuse the noise outside. So yeah, painted the wall that color. I still have to paint like the closet door. You see how it looks. Still have to paint, a few things like the doors mainly. Other than that, everything else is painted nicely. I don't have to put any coating, like any more coats and everything like that. So here I have this frame. I had this when I first moved into this room. This is my picture of when I was pregnant with my son, and then when I gave birth. And then my son gave me this frame, I think it was for Valentine's Day. This is his feet. He did that at school. My mom gave me this. It's a jewelry box. It's a picture of me and my son. Oh my gosh, I miss my short hair. Just have, little stuff in here. And then I have my printer here because I didn't know where else to put it. These tables, I don't know where my mom got these from, but these are really old. Another thing I had to change are the sockets. The ones that I had were either cracked or just painted all over. So I need to order some nice ones to put. So these shelves here I got from IKEA. I will leave a link down below for you guys. And then these are the Alex drawers. So these are the Alex 5 drawers, the small ones. These are actually, I think, cheaper than the white ones if I'm not mistaken. And then I have the Alex 6 drawers, and I got it in gray. So originally when I got these years ago. Originally when I got these, I didn't want the standard beauty influencer like setup with the whole white table. I wanted it to be black and gray, like marbly type. I've changed my mind so many times, and I was like, I want it black and gold. So at the moment, my furniture will stay dark. This is how I want my furniture. I want the furniture to be black. The only thing that's white is the table. This is my filming table and my editing table and all that good stuff. So here I have pretty much some lipstick organizers. This one my cousin gave me. It came with like a clear bottom to it, but I separated and I use a clear bottom for something else. So here I have some ColourPop lipsticks, and then the rest is literally Jeffree Stars. Then here I have all of my Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks here, and then I have like some miscellaneous there. I'm not gonna go through like my collection. If you want to see a collection video, let me know and I'll show you guys. But then I have like my lip liner. So here's like my miscellaneous lip liners, and then I have my Gerard Cosmetic lip liners separate just because of the packaging. Like, it's just so freaking pretty, so I wanted to have it separate from everything else that I have. Majority of these organizers I got from either Amazon or TJMaxx. This one I know for a fact I got from Amazon, and I just have, you know, like my main things here, so like liners, concealers, primers, utensils, all that good stuff. And then here I have like brow stuff, I think, yeah, some more miscellaneous stuff, you know, and then these are my P. Louise bases. So I have that, just, you know, like I'm trying to keep everything as grouped as possible based off of category. I still have to get more organizers for certain things, but as you guys see here, these I definitely got from what is it called? Amazon. This one I definitely got from Amazon here, and then I bought a label maker so I can label my glitters. And then this one I think I got from TJMaxx. This here I got from Marshall's. Actually, this is really old. I have mainly of my skincare stuff here, but then I also have another one here where I have like my go-to skincare and hair care that I'm currently using. And I have like stuff just like around. Sorry. So I have these empty. This stuff I have to put away to find a spot for these, but these two on the bottom are empty. So this is what I have here. Again, I'm not gonna go through my drawers and let you guys know like everything that I got, but I will show you. These are flashes. I will show you, where's my organizers. Okay, so these big organizers that I have here that are set up for like a large number of product, I got these from Sonny Cosmetics. I do have a code with them that saves you 20% off. It gives you, I think, yeah, it gives you 20% off. These organizers, yes, they are expensive, but the quality of them are very, very high quality, and you're able to fit a lot of products in one organizer rather than getting, you know, like small organizers like that, and you can only fit just a certain amount. So that's where I got the organizers from. My lip organizers I got from Amazon. These are from, what is it called? I forgot the name of it. What is it? Allegory. Yeah, there you go. I got them from Amazon, but the seller is Allegory, and I pretty much got like all of the lipstick stuff. And then this one here is another one from Sonny Cosmetics. This is the foundation holder. I actually just removed most of my foundations. I'm going to show you where I put them at. And then I have some leftovers here. That's that. And then here is a whole bunch of other stuff. I have these trays here. I believe I got these from TJMaxx, if I'm not mistaken. And I just put my brushes in them because, as you guys see, I have a lot of brushes. A lot of face brushes that I don't really use. I mainly keep these for clients because I always use the same ones over and over. Oops. There's nothing there. I have this mirror here. Ew. I don't think I have, yeah, I have more organizers. These are really, really old. I got these from Target, I think. But these, I got these from the set, same as those. And then these as well. Really, really old organizers. And then I just have like miscellaneous straws. This one is actually like supposed to be my skincare drawer, but I end up putting everything somewhere else. And then here is like my tech drawer where I have like chargers and batteries and tripods and label maker and all that good stuff. So starting from the bottom now, yeah, hey. So I have like my what is it called? Brush holders. Ooh. I have like my brush holders back here. This one's like a carousel, I think that's how you say it, brush holder, and then I have some other ones there just in case if I needed them. Those are like new brushes there. A little mirror that I use. That's a Gerard Cosmetics mirror. I have wipes there. That's my brush cleaner. And then here I have like my beautiful packaging. So these two from Pixie were PR. This is a PR box, but I purchased this myself from ColourPop. I just wanted the PR box because of the packaging and then the kaleidoscope that is inside. It's right there. So I had to get that. I decided to display my Jeffree Star bag, my Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes there, just because I really don't use them because I'm iffy with these palettes. And then here I got these as well. These are from Sonny Cosmetics. This one is the Berries and Creams PR package. I got that one. I don't even know if it's the actual PR package, but it's the bundle. And then this is a lip bundle that I got as well. Here's all of my P. Louise stuff. So this one is the Fortress. This actually came with all of the bases. I got this from the Christmas masterclass that I took. I purchased the big base. This is the 50mm one. I haven't used it yet because I'm still using the other one. I actually have an extra palette that I got from the kit that they sent me after my pro course, and then that's a naughty bag right there. So that's pretty much that. Then I got this painting here. Okay, so this painting here I got from TJMaxx or Marshalls. I got this years ago. So yeah, I still have it. I just love it. It's so editorial and it just screams art to me. So yeah. So here is my filming setup. I spilled paint, you guys, on my freaking TV. But I just finished editing, so my MacBook is there. I have my ring light and then my camera. If you guys want to know, I use the Canon T6. And then I do have it connected to the monitor because it does not have a viewfinder. So that's why I have this set up like this. And then the desk is from IKEA, you know, old kitchen table. I need to get my vanity chair. I said table. That's a chair. I need to get my vanity chair. I'm just trying to find out where to get one. If you have one, let me know down below in the comment section where I can get one that is not too expensive, because this is going to be the room where I will take clients as well. So I want to be able to have a comfy chair for them. So yeah, let me know. So I have that stool there because sometimes my son wants to sit with me, so I just leave that there. So here I have this, I believe my aunt gave me this. It says work hard, stay humble, and you know, you can clip notes there if you wanted to, but I choose not to. But yeah, that is pretty much that. And then this I actually got yesterday. But this is a, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a plastic cubicle organizer. It's like that. And I got this, I purchased two. One originally for my closet for like my clothes and stuff. But I got another one because I was like, you know what? I need another shelf. I didn't want to go to IKEA to get another one because these things are huge, as you guys can see. So I was like, you know what? I need something small and cute, and it's not going to be extremely heavy for like when I move around. So I got this. It was very, very easy to build. I will link this down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. So here I got these. I forgot where I purchased, I mean, like who's the seller, but I purchased these from Amazon. So I got two of these, and then the other one I have is like from e.l.f. But I have all of my brushes here. These are all of my eye brushes, and then my go-to face brushes. And then here I shared this on Instagram and Twitter yesterday. But this is my whole entire Anastasia Beverly Hills palette collection. Like, you guys, let me show you. Like, I have so many. This is such an old palette. So this is the Lavish palette. I remember when I was like searching everywhere for that palette, and then it finally came back out with it. I have the Amrezy palette. This is the first palette I ever purchased from Anastasia. The World's Traveler palette. I have the Artist palette. The Artist palette. And then the most recent ones, which are Renaissance, Subculture, Soft Glam, Norvina, Subculture, and the Riviera palette. I am missing the other one. I always forget the name of it, but it's actually coming tomorrow. So, and then this I got from By Allegory as well. This is their palette organizer. This is from By Allegory as well. I get a lot of my organizers from Amazon because it comes within 2 days. I hate waiting weeks for my makeup organizers, especially when there's a mess in here and I just want to hurry up and organize it. So I bought one of these so that I can display some of my blushes and bronzers and stuff. So here's pretty much like mostly drugstore. I have like all e.l.f. here, some more e.l.f., NYX. I got some Tarte, Cougar, I guess. Some vintage. I have Too Faced. This one is the Lisa Frank and Glamour Dolls bronzer. This is like my favorite bronzer. I have a Makeup Geek blush and then my MAC blush there. And then this is another palette. Mostly all of these palettes are my Morphe palettes besides this one. This is a Midas Cosmetics one. This one is similar packaging to the rest, so I was like, you know what, let me just put it there. So I have that there, and then here is how I have my go-to foundations set up. So I had leftover clear containers. I decided to put like most of, you know, my main go-to foundations. I have my Morphe. These are my Fenty Beauty matchsticks, my beauty blender. I'm over here telling you guys everything about, like, you know, products, and I said I wasn't, but whatever. Some Curve Effects. I got Jouer. I have all of my AVH foundation sticks here. Some are for clients because I like to use these since it is a more of a natural finish. But I have like my Huda, I have my Becca, these are my Makeup Revolution, my Fenty. I have so many. And then back here I have another organizer. And I have mostly just my palettes, like my foundation palettes, because those are the ones that I use for clients. And that is it. That is pretty much what I have going on for the room. I do want to get some more artwork to put here because I don't really want this here, but I am going to get like more artwork to put up. Curtains. I have to get this stuff here. This is where the AC used to be, but we have it taped up because cold air comes through. But yeah, this is the situation right now. This is everything. It's not a lot. It's not fancy. I wanted it to be nice and simple because I need space for when I have clients. I didn't want anything to be too cluttered or crowded and then not have enough space to work on clients. And I do have soft boxes, but I have them put away in the closet because I don't use them at the moment since my ring light gives me enough light. And then my desk is right next to the window. But yeah, this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this. And I finally, you know, gave you guys the juice. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.